मिसाल मोहब्बत की, वतन हमारा मिसाल मोहब्बत की, तोड़ता है दीवार नफरत की। मेरी खुश नसीबी मिली मुझे जिंदगी इस चमन में, मेरी खुश नसीबी मिली मुझे जिंदगी इस चमन में, भुला न सके कोई इसकी खुशबू सातों जन्म में। Honorable BSc sir, Honorable Principal ma'am, Honorable Senior Lecturer ma'am, distinguished staff, respected faculties, trainees and my batchmates. I welcome you all in the celebration of Republic Day. We all know that Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26th of January to commemorate the coming of a constitution into force. It was the day when India got its own rules and laws. And this year, India is celebrating its 68th Republic Day. It was 15th of August 1947 when India finally got freedom from the British Empire. But at that, we did not have our own constitution or law. Then a drafting committee chose to draft the constitution. The constitution was approved and accepted on 26th of November 1949, following up the several amendments, and finally came into force on the Republic Day. This day is also special because this day honors the oath ceremony of India's first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who sat on that day. Today, for the first time in the long history, we find the whole of the vast land brought under the jurisdiction of one constitution and one union, which takes over the responsibility of the welfare of more than 320 million men and women who inhabit it. But today, still the country fights the crime and the violence, which has the different design and different faces. Prior to independence, the crime and violence has the face of British, and now the crime and the violence has the name of terrorism, rape, riots, strike, and even taking the lives of the valued citizens. We call ourselves as Republic. Yes, Republic, which means the supreme power is of the people living in the country, and only public has the right to elect their representatives as the political leaders to lead the country in the right direction. Our great freedom fighters have struggled a lot for Purna Swaraj and lead the country ahead. But what we are doing? Are we sleeping? Yes, we are sleeping. Every morning during the assembly, we raise our throats saying that India is a country and all Indians are our brother and sister. But as we grow, many of us forget the spirit of this pledge. My dear friends, the nation needs us. We need to be awakened. We are the part of the world's largest democracy. Bhagat Singh said, "Bombs and pistols do not make revolution. The sword of the revolution is to be sharpened by the budding ideals who are going to lead the nation." The sword of the revolution has to be sharpened by the whetting stone of the ideals, and we are the budding ideals. If we want to have some change in our country, then we have to fight for our rights, just like our Indian heroes did during the time of independence and republic. Thereby remembering the golden heritage of our country and feeling proud to be a part of ever-shining India. A celebration of Republic Day will be considered as grand if we perform our task honestly and sincerely, and using our power of being Republic, showcasing our right on 15th of February 2017 by electing the right representatives for the country. On this special day, let us promise our motherland that we will do everything, each and everything, to enrich and preserve our heritage, our ethos and our treasure, because it is our duty. In the last, I would like to end up my words by the beautiful lines of NSG anthem written by Gulzar. हम है ना, हम है ना, हम है ना ए हिंदुस्तान, हम रंग रंग हैं फिर भी संग हैं, हम रंग रंग हैं फिर भी संग हैं, तीन रंग का एक निशान, हम है ना ए हिंदुस्तान। जय हिंद।